And the reason I don't like puzzles is I can never figure them out. No matter what kind of a puzzle is, whether it's piecing things together or one of those puzzles you're supposed to turn them a certain way, I can never figure it out. So when I was a kid, there was a certain puzzle that all the kids, all my friends would play with, but I wanted nothing to do with. Oh, you know what I'm talking about, yes?
Yeah.
Beneath my dignity as a human person.
There it is. There it is.
Does anyone know how to solve this? Anyone know how to solve it?
I was good in high school.
No, it's all.
Always get one side.
It's
Yeah.
all.
method to do it, right?
There is a method to do it. So what I started to do is when I was a kid, I never played with this. But
Hey,
when I
Rich, what's going on?
realized that I had let the good become the enemy, or no, when I was letting my own good work keep me from becoming
Right.
better, I decided to revisit something. One of the things that I revisited was the Rubik's Cube.
Yep,
Some
I'll
of
make
the
that
other
happen.
things that I revisited too that I tackled, but this was one. And there's a problem when you want to do something that's difficult, and it's when we think we can just dive right in. Like if we want to become a writer, we don't start off by writing a novel. If we want to become a bicyclist, we don't start off by riding across the country. It would be silly. Why would you do that? Who would ever do such a thing?
You did.
That's true. Is that what I did? What's that? It really is a good story.
Don't you have parents or friends
I didn't tell them.
who would say, what the hell are you doing?
What are you thinking? Stop, please.
Susan, you should have told me. You're very positive.
Let me give you a ride.
We would have put a plan together.
Yeah, I would have.
So what we have to do though is tackle things in small steps, just like Bill was talking about, tackling things in small steps. So we don't just start off big, we start off small.
Oh.
That's still tough though.
Dave, no.
Well, it's technically the same thing, right? It's a regulate, can you just mix up the cubes, just sort of mix up all the colors? It's a regulation cube, it's just in adorable size.
That's so cute, son. I want one.
Isn't it adorable? With every turn that you make, there are 48 quintillion. That's a quintillion. That's 48 with 18 zeros after it. With every turn, you're making a different color combination with the cube. If you had a regulation cube for every possible twist and turn, it would cover the entire Earth's surface 275 times. It's a lot of cubes.
Say again? I'm sorry.
Talking about the Rubik's Cube. With every twist and turn that he makes with the cube, it makes a different color combination. And there are 48 quintillion different color combinations. It's 48 with 18 zeros after it. Is the cube mixed? Is it mixed?
Oh, actually, you sugar right off.
Now, the world's record for solving the Rubik's Cube is just about 5 seconds. I can't do it in 5 seconds, but I do have my own kind of record that I'm going to show you guys. Does anyone have a watch with a second?
Dave's ready. You're assistant.
Oh, look at this. We got him. We got him, Junior. As soon as you say go, I'm going to start to solve it. Again, I can't do it in 5 seconds, but I have my own kind of record.
Whatever you said, I'll catch it.
All right. And go. Oh, okay, stop. How far did we get?
16 seconds.
16 seconds. I did this like last week. It was like 21 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, I beat last week's record.
Yay!
Thank you. Sarcasm. Thank you. I appreciate
No,
it.
she's sincere.
It is sincere.
She's sincere.
It doesn't look solved, but
In your mind, it's
work
perfect.
with me here. This is
Yeah.
it is perfect. This is my idea. There are 48 quintillion different color combinations. The traditional one that people see is when like all the orange is on one side, all the yellow on one side, where they're all matched. But that's only one of the 48 quintillion color combinations. What I did to make it more interesting, because I already know how to do that, to make it more interesting, I go the extra mile and decide on a different color combination. And I solve it. Thank you. You see, I appreciate the support. But what I said was partially true, but also partially a lie. Because I didn't, well, it's magic, right? I didn't decide on the color combination, so you decided.
You made it look like, no way. Shit.
Holy shit!
Are you fucking kidding me right now? You're gonna be kidding me.
That's even better.
Steve,
Look at that.
Steve made me look fuck.
No, quit it.
That's good.
No.
Steve,